Welcome back. Now in this video we will learn how to add text and effects. Click on text, add a heading. Write something on it as I am writing. Now above you will see option to make changes in text. You can change text, select any font from the list. Make it bold, change size, make it italic. Now as you click on effects it will show some option. Choose which effect you want. Then click on text color to change. Select color which looks better with effect. Now if you want to add glowing text you can go to text. Select it from below options. Make changes to its size, color, move it anywhere. Change color by selecting another color. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon.